I'm having so much fun here. We're in Kuwait. Let's sound check. I just finished the press conference, and we're having a good time. And guess what I have for you? I have my whole family here. Everybody's on your stage. They're being quiet. Come around. Yeah, you can see. This is Sarah. You know her.
Hi, Yanni.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I missed you. That's me up there. I'm not gonna hug you. Forget it. Later. Okay. Hey, Sasha.
You have to hug me and chill.
That's Darovia. Our Russian friend with a cello. That's good. That's Cuban. Come on, give me some Russian stuff. Where's the Russian thing? Thank you. That's good. That's more like it. Hey Sam, how you doing, man? Nice to see you. Miss you. It is for real. We've been like 2 months now, 3 months we haven't seen each other.
Yep.
And you know what? Since we have no sound, nobody is. Can you give me a little bit of a storm or something like that? I like that. And he's I never let him warm up. It's just kind of like, could you play something? What? Hey, Mary.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great. Usual.
So do you.
I do? Did you hear that? Sorry. Oh, you got it. There he is. Oh, yeah. Do that jump again. Just do the jump again. I like it. Do the jump again. There you go. That's it. Now we got you. From Chicago. Okay, the rest of them down. Benedict. I was talking about your gate. Venezuela. He's from Venezuela. My bass player right there. Mr. Cuba. Cuba, not Cuba. You don't say Cuba. They yell at you. Do you play djembe? Yeah, they were asking. Give me some Middle Eastern stuff, because they're asking me about that. Can you tell how happy I am to see my family again? They're all here. We're gonna start sound check really soon, and it's very exciting. I mean, I'm just like, hey, the rest of them, I haven't forgotten about them. I just can't get through here. All the keyboards and the wires. Hi, guys. Right, the brass section and Benedict with the violin. And I'm not gonna make you play. Don't worry. We have no sound yet. We haven't done it. So anyway, it's fine. We're good. I love you all very much, and don't do that to me again. Because I was playing the piano, I didn't know. She's doing this whole hand. Now my own daughter does this stuff. Can you imagine that? Travis used to do this to me all the time. All right, I love you.
Bye.